The broader bullish outlook is questionable for the EURUSD price as there is a bullish liquidity sweep, with a new lower low formation seen during the last trading week. The EURUSD price lost its buying pressure during the last trading week, where the current price action indicates further downside possibility. According to the EURUSD weekly chart, the strong gap between the price and 100-day SMA shows a bearish possibility towards the 1.084 level. In the meantime, other technical indicators have moved south. There is no sign of strong selling pressure with impulsiveness. The current 61.8% FIBO retracement level from the 2022 yearly swing is at 1.074, which is far from the current price. It is a sign that bulls have a strong chance to take the price higher as long as the FIBO level holds. In the daily price of EURUSD, we can see a different story, where technical indicators are seen to become eased from their recent highs. However, a bullish crossover is present from 20 SMA at the 1.080 key level. Therefore, holding will be critical, as any bullish rebound can create upside pressure in the coming days. In the current price, the near-term resistance level is at 1.093 level, just below the 1.100 psychological threshold. A bullish recovery above the 1.100 level could be the potential to grab buyers' attention to aim for the 1.118 regions.